Hey, next up it's Amira, and today I'm going to meal prep while we talk about nutrition. Don't try this at home.
Nutrition is one of the most complicated topics because there's so much conflicting and straight up incorrect information out there.
I hate cutting onions, guys. It makes my eyes tear up so bad.
So let's take it back to the basics. All food can be split up into micronutrients and macronutrients. Micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals your body needs for important functions like boosting your immune system. Macronutrients can be split up into 3 categories: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins can be found in animal products like meat, dairy, and eggs, and plant-based sources like beans, lentils, nuts, and soy products like tofu. Protein supports muscle growth, bone density, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Fats are also found in animal products, especially lard and butter, as well as plant-based sources like olive oil, nuts and seeds, avocados, and other cooking oils. Fat gets a bad rap, but it helps with regulating your hormones, protecting organs, sustaining energy, and helping your body absorb those vital micronutrients I was talking about earlier. Last are carbohydrates, or carbs. These are found in grains like pasta, bread, rice, as well as dairy products, potatoes, and other fruits and vegetables. Carbs get a bad rap too. Another word for them is sugars. But the truth is that your body needs carbs for energy, brain health, and digestion. There's a kind of carb found mainly in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, and lentils that your body can't digest called fiber. Fiber is an essential part of a healthy diet. It basically cleans out your digestive system, helps with regulating blood sugar, promoting heart health, and keeps you full longer. Now, the big takeaway here is that a, quote, balanced diet contains a mix of all these macro and micronutrients so you can get all the benefits they have to offer. This can be done by eating diverse foods and aiming to incorporate protein, fats, carbs, and fiber into most of your meals. Some classic balanced meals are cereal with milk, sandwiches, pastas, burrito bowls, tacos. A lot of these really popular, well-known meals combine a mix of all the macronutrients that you really need. And of course, an important part of nutrition is feeling satisfied physically and mentally. That might mean having some ice cream for dessert or eating a bag of chips with your lunch. These foods are not evil and can definitely be part of a balanced diet. The most important part of nutrition is not how it makes your body look, but how it makes your body feel. We all have different needs. Nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all.
Thanks for watching. Next up, I'll see you next time. Bye.